Okay, so let's talk about how we create a linear array. I've got this cube here. Let's go ahead and select it. Oops, undo. Let's select it and edit it. Remember, we highlight it, move it around, and then use the edit button. And I'm just gonna shrink it a little bit like that. Okay, so with this cube set up, I'm gonna go ahead and, as you know, as we've seen previously, we're able to move it, constrain it by using our controllers aligned with each other. So what I want to do is I want to make a linear array. So I want to duplicate this across here. So as we've talked about previously, if you want to duplicate something, right, you can click on it and then move it. And then while it's moved with this side button, you press the trigger button. And it'll create a new copy each time you move it. And there's the original one. Now, why did the original one stay here? If you recall, in our preferences, it was important that we set it up to return after copy. So we didn't move the original one. Okay, so that's key. So what I want to do is I want to make this a linear array. I want to make it so that it's like very exact steps as I add them on. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use my old trick here, right, where I line these up. No buttons are pressed. Once I get this set like this, I'm going to click on my side button to move it. And then I'm going to hit the trigger button to make a copy, just like I did before. Now look, it's going to snap in the increments that I set. And I can actually change those increments easily by where I start the first copy. So let's try that again. So I'm going to go here, and this time I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it up about this far. And now I'm going to hit my trigger button. And now look, hit the trigger button, hit the trigger button, hit the trigger button, hit the trigger button so you can see. And then once I let go, we're back. So that's how you make a linear array. It's really simple, easy to do, something that is interesting. Now, these are not instances. If I edit one of these, let's go into the edit mode. You can see that editing one does not edit any of the others. So they are individual, but it's easy enough to delete and move in and create a new array. So just hopefully that helps.